Hi students, this is the fourth part of multiple and submultiple angles. Today I am going to explain some interesting problems based on our concepts. Students, again I am reminding you, total trigonometry is depend upon so many formulae. Without formula you can't solve the problems. So multiple, submultiple concept formulae almost completed. We want to solve some different types of problems based on those formulae. Okay. So today I am going to explain some interesting results and problems. So our first result, important result, I can say, very important result, this one. Observe students, cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta, so on. Cos 2 power n theta equal to sin 2 power n plus 1 theta by 2 power n plus 1 to sin theta. In this way you need to remember this. Yeah, students, how will remember this result? Observe here, for example, cos theta into cos 2 theta given. How many terms are here? Only 2 terms. 2 power 0 is the coefficient of theta, 2 power 1 is the coefficient of second term. So in the result 1 plus 1 should be sin into 2 power 1 plus 1 into theta by 2 power 1 plus 1, that is 2 into theta, which is same as sin 4 theta by 4 sin theta. Sin theta should be here, okay. So this is nothing but this one. For example, cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta given. So I want to write what is this. Actually sin into something theta by something into sin theta only. So you need to identify what is something. One term, second term, 3 terms, that is 2 power 0, here 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 2, 2 power 2 means 2 plus 1, 3, 2 power 3 means 8, here 8. So this value is nothing but sin 8 theta by 8 sin theta. In this way you can remember that. Now you want to prove. Okay, observe all of you. Just convenience purpose, I am taking LH as a K. K equal to cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta, so on, cos 2 power n theta. Now I want to show that K equal to this. Okay. So what is the formula behind this result? That is important. That should identify. So I can say that is nothing but sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula. What is sin 2 theta formula? 2 sin theta into cos theta. Observe students, here only cos theta is there. In front of cos theta, if 2 sin theta is there, means we can say that is sin 2 theta only. That's why on both the sides I am multiplying 2 sin theta. Observe here. 2 sin theta into K equal to 2 sin theta into remaining terms as it is. Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, so on, cos 2 power n theta. Observe students, 2 into sin theta into K equal to, instead of 2 sin theta cos theta, I can write sin 2 theta, I can write. Sin 2 theta I can write. Sin 2 theta into remaining terms, cos 2 theta as it is, cos 4 theta, so on, cos 2 power n theta. So here again logic is there, na? Here sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Here I want to write sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. Fill 2 theta as a K, nana. For example, here 2 is there. 2 sin K into cos K means sin 2K only, no? Fill this as a K. 2 sin K into cos K. What is that? Sin 2K. 2 theta means here 2 theta, 4 theta. Okay, means here one more 2 I want. That's why I am multiplying to another side. 2 square into sin theta, now I can say. I am multiplying to another side. 2 into sin 2 theta into, cos 2 theta into, cos 4 theta into, cos 8 theta into, so on, cos 2 power n theta. Observe here students, 2 square into sin theta is equal to 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta means sin 4 theta. Sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta into, so on, into cos 2 power n theta. I think you people identified what should do next? Again, and one more 2 you want to multiply. What happened that 2 cube into sine theta, okay, equal to, here 2 means sine 8 theta into this cos 8 theta as it is. So cos 2 power n theta. Slowly what we are doing, Nana, one by one, all cos's are converted into sines. Okay, reduce, 8 theta. Cos 8 theta onwards means what happened? This cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta are converted into sines. Okay, so here 3, 8. Here 3, 8. Understood? So final, similarly I will write. Similarly, 2 power n into sine theta into k, what will get, Nana? Sine 2 power n theta into cos 2 power n theta will get last. Observe logic here. Observe logic, Nana. Here 2 means 2 square, no? This one 2 square means 4 here. So what is this? 3 means 8. 2 power 8 means 8 you are getting. Understood or not? Here 2 power n means here what? 2 power n. That is the last button step. The last one button step. That's why at last button step what will get? 2 power n into sin theta into k equal to 2 power 2 n theta into cos 2 power n. One more 2 I want again. So I am multiplying 2 on the other side. 2 into 2 power n into sin theta into k is equal to 2 sin 2 power n theta into cos 2 power n theta. So 2 power n plus 1 into sin theta into k equal to, this is in the form of again 2 sin m into cos m. Sin 2m. Okay. Yeah, now I want to write sin 2m. Sin 2m. M means what? 2 power n theta. So which is same as sin 2 power n plus 1 theta. Which is nothing but 2 power n plus 1 into sin theta into k. But we want k, no? K only required 1. K equal to sin 2 power n plus 1 theta by 2 power n plus 1 into sin theta. So now I will conclude, Nana. K means what here? Cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos, don't confuse cos theta, cos 2 theta, not cos 3 theta, Nana. Cos 4 theta. Next cos 8 theta. So on cos 2 power n theta is always equal to sin 2 power n plus 1 theta by, okay, 2 power n plus 1 into sin theta. In this way you can remember. Note that is cos theta into cos 2 theta is given. Directly how to write? See here, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 1, power of 2 is 1. In previous result power of 2 is n, no? Here 1. What is the result? 9. Directly I can say sin 2 power 1 plus 1 theta by 2 power 1 plus 1 into sin theta, which is as sin 4 theta by 4 sin theta. Okay. Yeah, cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 8 theta is 4 theta, 4 theta. 4 theta is given. Interesting one is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 2. N is 2 here, no? So what is formula? Sin into 2 power 2 plus 1 into theta by 2 power n plus 1 into sin theta, which is same as sin 8 theta by 8 into sin theta. In this way you can remember that. Important result. Okay students, now application of our previous result. Example 1 I can say, prove that cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 by 7 equal to 1 by 8. First of all I want to take LHS. What is that, Nana? Cos 2 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7 into cos 8 pi by 7. To simplify problem easily, so 2 pi by 7 is taken as theta. Okay, then what happened? LHS, Nana? Just cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. Observe now, 2 pi by 7 is taken as theta. This is theta. This is 2 theta. This is 4 theta only. Okay. Yeah. Directly I can write this one directly. Just now you proved one result now. Sin 2 power 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 2 mean 2 plus 1 into theta by 2 power 2 plus 1 into sin theta, which is same as sin 8 theta by 8 into sin theta. Here logic should apply. Actually sin 8 theta, sin theta should cancel because our answer is 1 by 8 no. But how to cancel? I will explain. Here observe. Here. Important one is, what is the value of 2 pi nana here? 7 theta. So instead of this 8 theta, I can write 7 theta plus theta. Sin 7 theta plus theta I can write by 8 sin theta. Observe students, 7 theta means what? 2 pi only no. I can write sin 2 pi plus theta by 8 into sin theta. So I want to write here, observe. Yeah, sin of 360 plus theta, sin theta only no. Sin theta by 8 into sin theta. Sin theta get cancelled. 1 by 8, which is RH. So we proved. Yeah, students observe example 2 nana. Prove that cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11 equal to 1 by 32. Important thing is, this is not directly in the previous form. In previous form what? Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 8 theta like that. But what is there here? Cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 5 theta. Means problem is not directly in the previous form. So we need to convert it in the previous form, or you can use another alternate method to solve this problem. Now I am using another alternate method to solve this problem. The problem method is called CS method. You can read as CS method. So I will explain what is CS method and everything. Now here observe. Important thing is, 1 pi by 11 is taken as theta. Then what happened to this nana? So pi means nothing but 11 theta. Now LHS of problem becomes cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 3 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 5 theta. Okay. So here directly the given problem is not in the previous form. In previous form means cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 4 theta, cos 8 theta like that. So that's why I am using CS method. What is meant by CS method I will explain. Let the LHS is taken as a letter C. Cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 3 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 5 theta. Take S as same values with different trigonometric ratio, that is sin. Sin theta into sin 2 theta into sin 3 theta into sin 4 theta into sin 5 theta. Just I assumed S as sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin 3 theta, sin 4 theta, sin 5 theta. So I will multiply these two. Observe what happened. Sin theta into sin 2 theta into sin 3 theta into sin 4 theta into sin 5 theta into cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 3 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 5 theta. Okay, this is SC, I can say SC. More generally, sin theta into cos theta with 1 2 is 1 2 nothing but sin 2 theta only. That's why I want to group sin theta, cos theta, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta and so on. So I am grouping here. Observe, sin theta into cos theta into sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into sin 3 theta into cos 3 theta into sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta into sin 5 theta into cos 5 theta. Observe students, important thing is, if here 2 is there means you can say that it is sin 2 theta formula. Here 2 is there, you can say this sin 4 theta formula. Here 2 is there, we can sin 6 theta formula. If 2 is there, you can sin 8 theta formula. 2 means sin 10 theta formula. So 1, 2, 3, 5 2's you want. That's why you multiplied 2 power 5 and other side. So observe what happened. Yeah, 32 into SC. What you got, I will write now. Sin 2 theta into sin 4 theta into sin 6 theta into sin 8 theta into sin 10 theta. This is 32 SC. Now I will explain what is my plan now here. Observe all of you. 32 into C into S, for example, equal to S, for example. You can cancel S and you can see that C equal to 1 by 32 only. C means given problem. Now observe. C means this one only, no? So that only one prove 1 by 32. So means what is the meaning of that? So it is enough to prove that, or it is enough to convert sin 2 theta, sin 4 theta, sin 6 theta, sin 8 theta, sin 10 theta as S. S means what? Sin theta into sin 2 theta into sin 3 theta into sin 4 theta into sin 5 theta. Means we want convert RHS part of this equality in the form of sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin 3 theta, sin 4 theta, sin 5 theta with the help of, already we took pi by 11 as theta, no? The help of this, if you can convert direct, you can say that C equal 1 by 32. Here sin 2 theta is there, here sin 2 theta, no need to disturb. No need to disturb this sin 2 theta. Next, no need to disturb this sin 4 theta also. Just sin 6 theta, sin 8 theta, sin 10 theta should be disturbed and they should have the form sin 3 theta into sin 4 theta into sin 5 theta. Already 4 theta completed, no? So they should be written in the form of sin theta, sin 3 theta, sin 5 theta. Okay, I will write. Observe here. Okay, now. Yeah, what I am doing here, I am not disturbing sin 2 theta and sin 4 theta. Now I want disturb sin 6 theta. So what is with us now? There pi means what, Nana? 11 theta. Okay, using this pi, so yeah, 10 from this you can generate theta, because sin 10 theta can be written as sin of 11 theta minus theta, sin of pi minus theta, sin of 180 minus theta, sin theta only, sin theta. From this theta will get. Actually what you want, Nana? Sin theta you want, sin 2 theta, sin 3 theta, sin 4 theta, sin 5 theta. Already 2 theta and 4 theta complete. Just now sin theta also will get from sin 10 theta. Means from sin 6 theta and sin 8 theta we want 3 theta and 5 theta. So 8 theta is there now. 8 theta and 11. Difference what, Nana? 8 theta and 11 means 3 theta only. Directly you get 3 theta from there. Next 5 theta you want. 6 theta and 11 theta. The difference also 6 only. So directly you get. Now I will write. Observe students, interesting problem. Yeah, this can be written as sin of 11 theta minus 5 theta into sin of 11 theta minus, what should I write, Nana? 3 theta I can write, into sin of 11 theta minus theta I can write. Observe this, sin 2 theta, sin 4 theta, sin of 180 minus theta, sin theta only. This instead of this you can write pi, no? Already you know that, no? Pi means 11 theta. Okay, so sin 5 theta, sin 3 theta, sin theta. Now I want to rearrange. 32 into S into C equal to sin theta into sin 2 theta into sin 3 theta into sin 4 theta into sin 5 theta. Or other words I can say that 32 into S into C equal to S. S get cancelled. C equal to 1 by 32. Therefore cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 3 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 5 theta is nothing but 1 by 32. This only required, or another words I can say theta means pi by 11, cos pi by 11 into cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 3 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 5 pi by 11, value nothing but 1 by 32. Okay students, that's why this method is called CS method. Yeah, sometimes you can use this method and you can solve the problems. Yeah students, the next example problem, example 3. Students, observe the problem number 3. Cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, 8 pi by 16. See 2, 4, 8, 16. Means this problem is directly in the form of cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta, so on. Do one thing. Solution. Let 2 pi by 15 is taken as theta. Then 2 pi becomes 15 theta. With the help of this, we can solve the problem. So LHS becomes what, Nana, here? Cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos, what is this? Yeah, this is taken as theta, no? This is 2 theta, means this is 4 theta only, into cos 8 theta. Yeah, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 3, 2 power 3. According to the problem, directly this is equal to sin into 2 power 3 plus 1, 4 theta by 2 power 4 into sin theta. Okay, which is same as sin 16 theta by 16 into sin theta. So 1 by 16 you want means sin 16 theta and sin theta should be cancelled. That is not a big problem. This 16 theta can be written as here. 15 means 2 pi, no? So I can write 15 plus theta, I can write 15 theta plus theta, I can write by 16 into sin theta, which is same as sin 15 means 2 pi. 2 pi plus theta by 16 into sin theta. Everyone knows that sin 360 plus theta, sin theta only. This sin theta get cancelled. Final answer is 1 by 16, which is RHS. Students, example 4, Nana. 1 minus secant 8 theta by 1 minus secant 4 theta equal to tan 8 theta by tan 2 theta. Students, 1 minus cos 2 theta formula is there with us. That is 2 sin square theta. Observe, no? Make cos theta subject. What I will get? Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta only, no? Understood? So 1 minus cos 2 theta means 2 sin square theta. But here 1 minus cos 2 theta is not given. 1 minus secant 8 theta is given. So secant you can convert into cos. That is not a big problem. Okay, that's why. So I want to take LHS now here. 1 minus 1 by cos 8 theta by 1 minus 1 by cos 4 theta. I think understood now. After taking LCM, cos 8 theta minus 1 by cos 8 theta. After taking LCM, this reverse 4 theta by cos 4 theta minus 1. So this is nothing but cos 4 theta by cos 8 theta. Don't disturb these two terms. Cos 8 theta minus 1 by cos 4 theta minus 1. From both I will take minus common. 1 minus cos 8 theta by 1 minus cos 4 theta. So do one thing, student, don't disturb cos 4 theta and cos 8 theta. Yeah, here I want remove this 1 minus cos 8 theta. I don't want this one. Okay, 1 minus, we have several formula for cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula what, Nana? Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. If you double this angle, cos 4 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 2 theta. Again double this angle, what happened? Cos 8 theta. Cos 8 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 4 theta. That's why instead of this, what I can write 1 minus 2 sin square 4 theta. Okay, open minus 1 minus plus 2 sin square 4 theta. 1 get cancelled. That's a directly instead of the second, right? 2 sin square 4 theta by, instead of the direct look at 2 sin square 2 theta. Just now explain now here. Observe here. Transfer 2 sin square theta to left hand side, transfer cos 4 theta right hand side, then 1 minus cos 4 theta is 2 sin square 2 theta. Okay students, now I will write here what you got here. What is that, Nana? Cos 4 theta into 2 into sin 4 theta into sin 4 theta. Sin square 4 theta can be written as like that. That is not a big problem. Okay, now I want to next cos 8 theta. Students listen. A cos 8 theta as it is 2 into sin 2 theta into cos 2 sin 2 theta again. Okay students. So this cos I want to rewrite 2 as it is 2 sin 4 theta into this cos 4 theta into, so this sin 4 theta can be written as 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. Okay, divided by, yeah, you write, don't disturb cos 8 theta as it is, you write, into remaining terms as it is. Sin, I think these are sin only. 2 theta. 1 sin 2 theta, 1 sin 2 get cancelled. These two get cancelled. Observe what happened. 2 sin k cos k, sin 2k, sin 8 theta by this cos 8 theta into what is the remaining, cos 2 theta remaining here by sin 2 theta remaining. What is this, Nana? Tan 8 theta, this one, into cot 2 theta, or another words I can write tan 8 theta by tan 2 theta, which is the required RHS. Observe. So tan 8 theta by tan 2 theta. Okay students. Next another interesting example 5. 1 plus cos pi by 10 plus 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10 plus 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10 plus 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10 equal to 1 by 16. Okay, first of all, we don't want 1s here. 1 plus cos theta is given. We don't want 1. 1 plus what you can write here, instead of this 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 you can write. 1 get cancelled. Understood? I will write that important result. Okay, I will write here 1 plus cos theta is nothing but 1 plus 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, half angle formula. Okay, so 1 get cancelled. The result is 2 cos square theta by 2. So instead of this bracket directly I can write 2 cos square theta by 2. By 2 means pi by 20. By 2 means pi by 20. Understood? What happened? An angle pi by 10 by 2, no? Half of that. Into 2 cos square 3 pi by 20 into cos square 2 cos square 7 pi by 20 into 2 cos square 9 pi by 20. This is the LHS part. So another words I can write. So I want to remove this. This is actual LHS. 2 16 into cos pi by 10 into cos 3 pi by 10 into cos 7 pi by 10, 20, no, not 10, 20, into 20 by 20 into cos 9 pi by 20 square. Now we need to simplify this. Okay students, 16 into, what is this, Nana? Cos 9 degree, this one. Actually observe here, 180 by 20. 0, 0 get to 9 there. Cos 9 degree into this is 3 into 9. 3 into 9, 27 degree. Into this is 7 into 9, 63 degree. Into cos 9 into 9, 81 degree. Okay, whole square is there. So what is the logic means here? This 81 can convert in the angle 9 and 63 can convert in the form of 27. So 16 into, don't disturb this, cos 9 degree as it is, into cos 27 degree as it is. Actually this is sin 27 degree, Nana. This is sin 9 degree. I will show you, wait. Sin of cos of 81 is there, no? Cos of 90 minus 9 you can write, 81 means. Okay, cos of 90 minus theta what, Nana? Sin theta, sin 9 degree, that's why. Okay, square is there. Okay, do one thing. Actually here one more 2 you want, square is there, no? That's why 16 into, so 1 by 4 into 2 sin 9 into cos 9, one part, and 2 sin 27 into cos 27. Okay, observe here, square as it is. This is 16 into 1 by 4 into sin 2 theta, means sin 80 in this one, standard angle. Yeah, this is sin 27 2s are, 27 2s are, to 14, 54. That also standard angle only. Square. Next page I will write, Nana. So what you got here? 16 into 1 by 16 into, yeah, sin 18 into sin 54 whole square. 16 get cancelled. So I can say this sin 18 into cos 36 only, this one. Observe students, cos 36 is nothing but cos of 90 minus 54 only. That is sin 54 only, that is not a big problem. Cos 18 means root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 root 5 plus 1 by 4. Square is there. Numerator is a plus b, a minus b. A square means 5 minus 1, 4. By 4, 4 that 16 whole square. So that is 1 by 4 whole square. That is equal to 1 by 16, which is the RHS, which is the required result. Okay students, next problem, sixth problem. This is also, yeah, logical problem only. Cos alpha given as 3 by 5 and cos beta given as 5 by 13. Important thing is alpha and beta are acute angles, means they are in first quadrant. I will write information first. Solution, cos alpha equal to 3 by 5. Cos beta equal to 5 by 13. Clearly given alpha comma beta belongs to Q1, means by using simple diagram you can find the remaining trigonometrical ratios. Simple triangular diagram, right triangle diagram. So important note students, if alpha and beta are in first quadrant acute angle only, you need to use right triangle to find the remaining trigonometrical ratios. So this is alpha, cos means this is 3, this is 4, automatically this is 4. By using this right triangle, you can write all trigonometrical ratios for the angle alpha. So here, so this is beta, so this is alpha, okay. This is 5, this is 13, automatically this is 12. So by using this right triangle, you can find all trigonometrical ratios. Okay, leave it. What do you want, Nana? You want the value of sin square alpha minus beta by 2 you want. Observe students. Interesting. First of all, I want to write the formula. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Half is there here, half angle formula. Then cos theta equal to what, Nana? 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. See here, sin square theta by 2 formula, you know. So make this a subject. 2 sin square theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta, or sin square theta by 2 equal to half of 1 minus cos theta. Instead of this, what you can write, Nana, now directly half of 1 minus cos theta. Theta means alpha minus beta. I think understood. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 into 1 minus, just we want to use the formula cos of a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, cos alpha into cos beta plus sin alpha into sin beta. Now just we want to substitute the values. 1 by 2 as it is, 1 minus cos alpha, I want to use the diagram, cos alpha 3 by 5 as it is, I will write 3 by 5 here, into cos beta, cos beta means 5 by 13 plus sin alpha, I want sin alpha means what, that 4 by 5 into sin beta I want, sin beta means 12 by 13. Yeah, okay, so now I want to simplify this. 1 by 2 into 1 minus, so inside this I want to take LCM as 5 into 13, 65. Here 15 plus 8, 48. Or as I said, 1 by 2 into 65 minus 48 plus 15, 63 by 65, which is same as 1 by 2 into 2 by 65. 2 get cancelled, 1 by 65. We got 1 by 65. What do you want actually? 1 by 62. I think that is wrong, Nana. Should be 65. Right? 65, not 61. So finally what you got? 1 by 65. First problem completed. Yeah, next problem, same model, no? Same model. You people can do cos square alpha plus beta by 2 value I want. Okay, I will do now. Cos square alpha plus beta by 2 value we want. Same. Cos 2 theta formula equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, cos theta formula 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, or 1 plus cos theta by 2. Directly I can say that cos square theta by 2. So instead of this, what I can write, 1 by 2 of 1 plus cos of alpha plus beta. Okay students, just I want to write 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Okay, which is same as 1 by 2 into 1 plus, I don't want to waste my time, already we did this with 1 minus here, so I will show you. So here this area is same, no? This area should be same. So here plus means here minus, 15 minus 48 by 15 minus 48 by 65. Now we want to simplify this. 1 by 2 into 1 plus, this is 48 minus 15, 3 minus 33 by 65. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 65 minus 33 by 65. So 65 minus 33 should subtract 2, 32. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 32 by 65. 2 ones are 2 16s are 16 by 65. Okay, what you got now? 16 by 65 means, so our answer will be correct. 16 by 65 will be correct, no? So I will write that is equal to 16 by 65. Now I need to correct the question, not 25, 65 should write. So two correction, this is 65, this is 25.